Hello, my name is Rico Czernig. I am responsible for support and product management here at SSP in Spaichingen. In this video I will show you how to teach in a new anchor plate for our relearnable HOLDX unit. The instructions for this you will find in our HOLDX manual under 7.2. Before you start the teach-in process, please make sure that the anchor plate is not on the HOLDX. To start the teach-in process then, please connect the HOLDX to power supply and connect the anchor plate to the HOLDX. Now the red LED is flashing 6 times. After 10 seconds the LEDs are flashing all together. Now disconnect the power supply and then connect it again immediately. Now you can see that the HOLDX is flashing green and blue. This means the calibration of the anchor plate is necessary. This we show you in another video. For more information, go to our HOLDX manager or visit our website.